At home.
What is this?
This is a chair.
Where is the cat?
The cat is on the sofa.
Is the TV on?
Yes, it is.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It is 7 o'clock.
In the kitchen. What are you doing?
I am cooking.
Is the soup hot?
Yes, it is hot.
Can I have some water?
Yes, here you go.
Where is the spoon?
It is in the drawer.
What do you want to eat?
I want rice.
A school. Who is your teacher?
Mr. John is my teacher.
Do you like school?
Yes, I do.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English.
Where is your bag?
It is on the chair.
What are you writing?
I am writing my name.
At the park. What do you see?
I see a bird.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
Do you like the flowers?
Yes, they are pretty.
Is the sun shining?
Yes, it is.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
In the store. What do you want to buy?
I want apples.
How much is this?
It is $2.
Do you have money?
Yes, I have.
Is this fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
In the street. Where are you going?
I am going home.
Is this your car?
No, it's not.
What color is the bus?
It is blue.
Is it raining?
No, it's sunny.
Are you lost?
Yes, I am.
At the zoo. What is that animal?
It is a lion.
Do you like monkeys?
Yes, they are funny.
Is the elephant big?
Yes, very big.
Are the animals sleeping?
No, they are playing.
Can we feed them?
No, we can't.
The doctor. What's wrong?
I have a cold.
Do you feel sick?
Yes, I do.
Where does it hurt?
My head hurts.
Can you breathe well?
Not very well.
Will I be okay?
Yes, you will.
The library. What are you reading?
A storybook.
Is the book good?
Yes, it is.
Can I take this book?
Yes, you can.
Where is the librarian?
She is at the desk.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I do.
On the phone. Hello, who is this?
This is Anna.
Can you talk now?
Yes, I can.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
See you soon?
Yes, see you.
At the restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What do you want to eat?
I want chicken.
Do you want something to drink?
Yes, orange juice.
Is the food good?
Yes, it's delicious.
Can I have the bill?
Sure, one moment.
At the airport. Where is your passport?
It's in my bag.
What time is your flight?
At 10 a.m.
Are you traveling alone?
No, with my family.
Is this your suitcase?
Yes, it is.
Where is gate number 5?
Over there.
In the bedroom. Are you sleepy?
Yes, very sleepy.
What time do you sleep?
At 9 o'clock.
Is the bed soft?
Yes, it is.
Do you read before bed?
Yes, I do.
Where is the light switch?
Near the door.
On the bus. Is this seat free?
Yes, sit here.
Do you ride the bus often?
Yes, every day.
Where are you going?
To the market.
How long is the ride?
About 20 minutes.
Is the bus full?
Yes, very full.
In the bathroom. Are you brushing your teeth?
Yes, I am.
Where is the soap?
On the sink.
Is the water cold?
No, it's warm.
Do you wash your hands?
Yes, after using the toilet.
Is this your towel?
Yes, the blue one.
The office. What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Do you have a meeting?
Yes, at 2 p.m.
Where is your desk?
Near the window.
Are you busy now?
Yes, a little.
Can you send the email?
Yes, I will.
At the beach. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love it.
Is the water cold?
Yes, a little cold.
Are you swimming?
Yes, with my friend.
Where is your towel?
Under the umbrella.
Do you want ice cream?
Yes, please.
The gym. Do you work out?
Yes, every morning.
What do you do here?
I run and lift weights.
Is it hard?
Yes, but fun.
How long do you exercise?
1 hour.
Are you tired?
Yes, I need water.
At the cinema. What movie is this?
It's a comedy.
Do you like it?
Yes, it's funny.
Where is your seat?
Row B, seat 5.
Is the movie long?
Yes, 2 hours.
Want popcorn?
Yes, I do.
The playground. What are you doing?
I'm on the swing.
Do you like slides?
Yes, I do.
Are you playing with friends?
Yes, with Sarah.
Is it fun?
Yes, very fun.
Are you coming back tomorrow?
Yes, I am.
The supermarket. Do you need a basket?
Yes, I do.
Where is the milk?
In aisle 5.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like them.
How many eggs do you want?
I want 6 eggs.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it is.
In the garden. What are you planting?
I am planting flowers.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I love it.
Is the sun hot?
Yes, it is very hot.
Can I water the plants?
Yes, please.
What color are the flowers?
They are red.
At a friend's house. Can I come in?
Yes, welcome.
Where is the bathroom?
It's down the hall.
What are we playing?
Let's play cards.
Do you want juice?
Yes, thank you.
Is this your room?
Yes, it is.
On a farm. What is that animal?
It's a cow.
Do you like horses?
Yes, I do.
Are the chickens loud?
Yes, very loud.
Can I touch the sheep?
Yes, be gentle.
Is that a goat?
No, it's a sheep.
The hospital. Are you a doctor?
No, I'm a nurse.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Do you feel pain?
Yes, in my leg.
Can you walk?
No, not yet.
When can I go home?
Tomorrow.
The bookstore. Can I help you?
Yes, I need a book.
What book do you want?
A storybook.
Is this book new?
Yes, just arrived.
How much is it?
$10.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
In the classroom. Who is absent today?
John is absent.
Can you read this?
Yes, I can.
What is the answer?
The answer is 4.
Do you need help?
Yes, with this.
Is the lesson easy?
Yes, it is.
In the living room. What are you watching?
A cartoon.
Is it funny?
Yes, very funny.
Where is the remote?
On the table.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it.
Want to play a game?
Yes, let's play.
The bank. Can I open an account?
Yes, fill this form.
How much money?
$100.
Do you have ID?
Yes, here it is.
What is your name?
My name is Tom.
Do you need he?
Yes, with the form.
At a birthday party. Whose birthday is it?
It's Jake's.
Do you like cake?
Yes, chocolate cake.
Did you bring a gift?
Yes, I did.